Hey everyone, just had someone drop off a vehicle to get some work done. Really quick video. If I've got my facts right, he told me that, the other mechanic or whatever that had a look at it when he brought it or whenever or since then, said that this is normal. And, they weep a little bit, the water pumps weep a little bit. And I want to say it's not normal. And while I'm talking about this, I just want to say, if any of my information is wrong, because my clients do watch the videos also, and if there's anything wrong and they say, oh, no, that's not right, I'm going to come back and remove, edit, or delete the video, whatever the case may be, so that we've only got accurate information. Short video just to show you. If you see this, it's definitely a water pump leak, and it's not normal. See that leak there on the inside of the timing cover? We see it quite often. That's what it was. Now I remember. See, so what I said is correct. He said when the mechanic did the timing belt, that's in behind there, and we've got the BFE job, because I've said it before, just quickly, your water pump, it's not going to make it to 300,000 Ks unless you're really, really lucky. It's unlikely you're going to get that, and sometimes you get it under 150, sometimes it's 180, 160, 200, whatever, but either way, that's going to happen before you get to 300 most of the time. So why go in there twice while you're down in working in there? You just do the whole thing. That's why we've got the BFE kit, Monday morning, 7:30 AM, text message, hey, I need a BFE kit. What comes in there? The genuine timing belt, idler tensioner, cam seal, the drive belt, all the bearings, something else. What am I forgetting? Yeah, the main drive belt, the bearings. I don't know, there's probably something else, is there? I wouldn't even know what's in main kit these days. I'm losing it. Of course, the water pump, right? The water pump. So there you go. Bada bing, if that helps you out and you can get in the VIP group, watch the videos, you join that. It's on a Facebook group. You got to answer the 3 questions. Don't wait for me to do anything. It's just go find the group, 4B4 Diesel VIPs, answer those 3 questions, and then when I check it, I'll let you into the group. You can search, find all the videos in there on how to do the job, saving you money, make sure it's done right the first time. That is not normal. I said it'd be a quick video. Not normal, not normal. It's not a big urgent rush. If you do see this on your vehicle and you see the coolant level not really moving, okay, well, it's probably not going to collapse like we've seen on some cars. The water pumps totally collapse. It's probably not going to happen on a Toyota. But how long has yours been leaking for? Go and check your car now. Doesn't matter what vehicle. This is on a 1KD FTV. That's what we specialize in. That is not normal. If you see that, you've got a leaking water pump, we recommend the BFE job, which is not bacon and fried eggs. The BFE job, big front engine job, everything that moves on the front other than your alternator, every 150,000 Ks. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn the bell on, and we'll catch you on the next video. The longer videos have obviously got more information, but you like short ones, there's a short one. See ya.